What is up, everybody? It is Ben from Srkcycles.com, and today I have a 2009 Yamaha Royal Star. It's a Tour Deluxe. It's a 1300cc motor, and it's a V4. Let's take a walk around this thing. So back here in the back, got the dual exhaust, and starting on the rear fender, got these extra red, I think they're brake lights. Not familiar with them. I'm not sure if they're stock or not. Turn signals, reflectors in the bags. Everything looks pretty clean back here. I actually just gave it a good look over before I started the video. Got this license plate mount. I know it looks a little weird without license plate on it. Coming up over here, over the rear fender, we've got some scratching here just below the Yamaha. You guys can see that. And coming here along the side, got a couple more little scratches right there, and other than that, the bags look pretty good. They got a little bit of some road dirt there on them, but not like any like giant chips or dings or anything. Got the Tour Deluxe logo there. We can look inside the bag, see what that looks like. Got nice spacious bags. The hard lid, easy to unlock, easy to lock right there. Got the 2-up seat. Got the nice crash bars on the bags. Passenger floorboard. The side panel looks pretty good. Don't see any major marks or anything there. Maybe some light scuffing up around the corner there. The exhaust looks pretty clean. Not a lot of marks there. Same with the motor casing and everything here in the engine bay. The rider floorboard here, the highway peg, rear pedal, rear brake pedal, the front fairing here. This thing's got some miles on it. I think it's like 25,000 miles. Don't miss out on the test drive video that Sean did, and don't miss out on this bike, guys. This is going to be on the website, and this is a really nice 2009. This bike is carbureted. We'll see the choke on the other side. Coming up here on this front fairing, this front lower fairing. Got some road marks here, just some like general dings. No dents, but it just looks like some chips, like some stone chips that you would expect from a motorcycle with 25,000 miles on it. Front tire is here. This front fender is like really nice, actually. Not a lot of marks on it. There's some dirt there. That is not a chip. There is a chip right there. But again, with 25,000 miles on it, this thing looks pretty nice. Coming up the fork tubes. Not a lot of markings on them. On both sides. Got the dual rotors in the front. This front tire's got some life left on it. You guys can see the auxiliary headlights here, main headlight, signals. Everything's looking good. Got a nice tall windshield there. Will keep the wind off of you. You can ride for hours and hours with none of that wind fatigue pushing on your chest. Same thing on this front fairing, front lower fairing. There's more chips on the inside here than on the outside. Again, it's getting most of the stone chips, things you expect from a bike with 25,000 miles on it. Overall, though, this is a really clean bike. It's a nice bike, 1300 cc's, V4. It'll be a good bike for someone to take and put another 25,000 miles on it. And coming along here, I see the highway pegs matching the other side, shifter, rider floorboard. Again, all this stuff here kind of in the motor bay looking good. There's the choke, fuel valve, passenger floorboard. Everything in here is really clean. Not a lot of marks or dirt or rust or anything like that. This side cover is looking pretty nice, not all beat up. We'll get here on this bag. Again, we got the Tour Deluxe logo there. And there's not a lot of marks on this bag. I'm not sure if the other side had a few more, not sure why that is. Coming up over top here, we got the seat, nice Nice passenger seat, a nice deep dish seat here for the rider. Coming up over the tank. Not a lot of marks in here. There's some light, like I would call it clear coat scuffs, but not like real deep scratches or dings or anything like that. This thing on. Here you go. See the, oh, I said 25. 23,559 miles. Fire this thing up for you guys. Fires right up. Not a super loud bike. Oh, there you go. There's the lights from before. Those are running lights. This is a nice sounding bike. I do like it though. It would be a great two-up bike. If you guys are looking to get into a two-up bike before the summer, go riding with someone on a regular basis, have them on your back, maybe do a few trips. Check out the turn signals. Front turn signal. And rear signal. At the other side, there's the rear. And there's the front. Guys, don't miss out on this 2009 Yamaha Roadstar. Oh, Yamaha Royal Star, I should probably call it the right thing. Check out the test drive that Sean did. Check out the website, this bike will be up and it's gonna go quick. Guys, thanks for watching.